Welcome back to Global Strategy Hub. Today's topic will discuss how to use a SWOT analysis to boost your university's international performance and impact. If you are a university leader or administrator who wants to expand your institution's global presence and impact, you might be wondering how to develop an effective international strategy that aligns with your mission, vision, and goals. One of the first steps you should take is to conduct a SWOT analysis, which stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. A SWOT analysis is a strategic planning technique that helps you identify the internal and external factors that affect your organization's performance and potential in the global market.
What are the strengths of your university that give you a competitive edge in the international arena? For example, do you have a strong reputation for teaching, research, or outreach? Do you have unique programs, facilities, or partnerships that attract international students, faculty, and collaborators? Do you have a diverse and inclusive campus culture that fosters intercultural learning and engagement? Do you have joint international courses or degrees? Are you benefiting from international research projects and teams?
What are the weaknesses of your university that limit your international growth and success? For example, do you have gaps in your international curriculum, services, or support? Do you have challenges in recruiting, retaining, or integrating international students, faculty, and staff? Do you have barriers in accessing or securing funding, resources, or recognition for your international activities? Do you lack support personnel and coordinators?
What are the opportunities for your university to enhance your international presence and impact? For example, are there emerging markets, trends, or needs?
What about threats? What are the threats for your university to face in the international environment? For example, are there political, economic, or social factors that could affect your international operations or reputation? Are there competitors, challenges, or risks that could undermine your international goals or outcomes? Are there ethical, legal, or cultural issues that could pose difficulties or conflicts for your international endeavors?
Here's an example of a SWOT analysis to help you started.
To illustrate how a SWOT analysis can be applied to a university international strategy, let us look at the real example. Louisiana State University Agricultural Center is part of a land-grant institution whose mission is teaching, research, and outreach. Therefore, both the SWOT analysis as well as international strategy need to focus on analyzing and enhancing this mission. For example, teaching provides huge opportunities when it comes to international cooperation with other universities, as joint courses, and even joint degrees could be easily achieved. This can be implemented on multiple levels, even in programs targeting professional ongoing education. Research, on another note, can focus on existing international faculty, as well as build on international cooperation in teaching.